Good day, everyone. Today, figured I'd show how to uh, bring up what is considered the Windows Snipping tool. The Windows Snipping tool is a very useful utility, being able to take and create an image based on just a portion of your display, be it on your monitor, so that you don't necessarily have to do an entire screenshot, full-on a screenshot of your display, for example. And the way you go about this, I guess, is to get it in your taskbar. I'm going to go ahead and unpin this just to show. You won't initially have it in there, but it is available in your Windows utilities. So what you can basically do is search for it, do a simple search for it on your system for a snipping tool, and you may or may not have two different versions on. You'll have a 32-bit and a 64. If you have a 64-bit, be sure to choose the 64-bit. And what I'll do, for the sake of usability, I'm going to pin this to the actual start menu, so I have that available in there for future reference. So that'll be up in here. And when you initially enable the snipping tool, whatever screen that you happen to be on is what's as it comes up here, so you'll be able to move this. This little box here will not show up in your image if you were to just go ahead and say, for example, if I wanted to do this section so you don't go away. So say, like, if I wanted to this image here, I wanted to be able to share this or edit it. From this point, I can copy it and paste it into my favorite paint program. And if you wanted to edit it or crop it out, anything to it, say, for example, I just want to crop this out a little bit, maybe even bring it down to this, do whatever you want with it. Save it as your favorite image format. So just save it as whatever you want as far as a bitmap, PNG, whatever you choose. And then you can use that image, and I'll go ahead and save this just for the sake of, I'll save this to my desktop just sort of for ease of access. And I'll save this as a bitmap. Actually, I'll go ahead and save it as a PNG. And it's very versatile. You can use whichever file format you find necessary, and you can name it as whatever you such. And I'm going to go ahead and close this because I don't need this anymore. And then from this point, you can take this image and share it to whatever social media, be it Facebook, Twitter, Discord, as you so desire. So that is a short little tutorial on how to use and enable, I guess, the snipping tool utility. Hope you found this useful, and I thank you for watching.